This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad dressing, updated. Start by crushing garlic and anchovy into a paste, then whisk in an egg yolk and lemon juice until smooth. Add Dijon mustard and grated Parmesan, and slowly stream in olive oil to form a stable emulsion. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity, then toss immediately with crisp romaine, croutons, and extra Parmesan for serving. Room temperature ingredients help the emulsion come together, so gather garlic, anchovy, egg yolk, lemon, Dijon, olive oil, and Parmesan first. Mince garlic and mash anchovy into a smooth paste to avoid gritty bits. Grate fresh Parmesan rather than using pre-shredded options for better melt and flavor. Keep olive oil in a steady stream while whisking to build a creamy texture, and taste often to balance flavors. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a clean, refreshing scent that makes the drive back from grocery shopping feel fancy and fun. It pairs surprisingly well with bringing home fresh romaine. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you want variations, try swapping half the oil for Greek yogurt or buttermilk to lighten the dressing while keeping creaminess. For a vegan approach, use aquafaba as the binder, nutritional yeast, and a touch of miso to mimic Parmesan umami, and olive oil as usual. Roasted garlic gives a milder, more caramelized profile. Blend the dressing if you prefer an ultra-smooth texture, and always adjust acidity and salt at the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.